2019 US $quarter coin. Today, we're diving deep into a modern American coin that completely changed the game for collectors, the 2019 US $quarter. Forget the state quarters. 2019 brought us a series of circulating coins that have become a modern-day treasure hunt, creating excitement and value never before seen in a contemporary quarter. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which quarters to look for, where to find them, and how one tiny letter on the coin could mean the difference between 25 cents and upwards of $50 or more. The America the Beautiful legacy. To understand the 2019 quarters, we have to talk about the series they belong to, the America the Beautiful Quarters program. Running from 2010 to 2021, this program follows the successful state quarters, honoring 56 different national parks and national sites, one from each state, the District of Columbia, and the 5 U.S. territories. The obverse, or the front of the coin, features a slightly modified portrait of George Washington, but the magic, as always, is on the reverse. The year 2019 was a fantastic year for this series, featuring 5 stunning designs, a tribute to the Industrial Revolution, depicting a mill girl at a power loom with the Butt Mill clock tower visible through the window. American Memorial Park honors the sacrifices made during World War II in the Mariana Islands, featuring an indigenous woman looking out at the flag circle and court of honor. War in the Pacific National Historical Park commemorates the battles fought on Guam during World War II, showing American forces coming ashore at Asen Bay. San Antonio Mission's National Historical Park celebrates this UNESCO World Heritage site with a design that pays homage to the Spanish colonial rule, divided into 4 quadrants with symbols of the missions. Frank Church River of No Return Wilderness, a beautiful wilderness scene featuring a majestic wolf against a star-filled sky, capturing the remoteness of the area. The modern rarity, the W mint mark. Now, here's the part that makes the 2019 quarters one of the most exciting finds in modern numismatics. For decades, quarters intended for general circulation were only minted at 2 facilities, Philadelphia and Denver. Quarters with the S mint mark were made in San Francisco but were reserved for special proof sets and generally did not enter circulation. But in 2019, the U.S. Mint did something entirely unprecedented. They announced a special initiative to spark excitement in coin collecting by releasing a limited number of quarters from the West Point Mint into circulation. This is the crucial detail. The 2019 quarters with the W mint mark are the game changer. Total mintage: only 10 million W quarters were minted for the entire year. Per design. That's only 2 million of each of the 5 designs released into circulation. When you compare that to the hundreds of millions, sometimes over a billion quarters struck by the P&D mints, 2 million is a tiny number. They are, essentially, a modern rarity. Let's get to the value. If you find a 2019 quarter in your change, here's what to look for and what it's worth. Mint mark description: approximate value P, Philadelphia. Common circulation coin 25 cents $1 3D common circulation coin 25 cents $1. As you can see, finding a P or D quarter is a nice placeholder for your collection, but they are only worth face value. The W is what we're hunting. Immediately upon their release, especially the first one, the Lowell quarter, uncirculated examples were selling for over $100. While the initial frenzy has settled, a circulated, searchable condition 2019 W quarter will still easily sell for $10 to $50 on the secondary market, depending on the design and condition. The most valuable finds, of course, are the coins that come back from the grading services with a top-tier grade like MS-65 or higher. These pristine examples can command values well over $100 and sometimes more, especially for the elusive Frank Church River of No Return W. Errors and varieties to look for beyond the W mint mark. There's always the possibility of an error coin, which can send the value of any 2019 quarter skyrocketing. While no major, common errors like a doubled die are widely known for this year, here are a few things to keep your eye on. Die cracks and die chips. Look for raised lines or chips, often near the edges or letters. These are caused by wear and tear on the coin die and can occasionally fetch a premium. Off-center strikes a coin that wasn't perfectly centered when struck by the press. If the strike is significantly off, creating a visible blank area, this can make a coin highly valuable. Missing or partial mint mark errors. If a P or D quarter is missing its mint mark entirely, or it's barely visible, it could indicate a rare, grease fill, error. But the biggest hunt remains the W. When searching, keep a magnifying glass handy and check that mint mark on every 2019 quarter you encounter. Collecting and hunting tips. So, how do you find these modern treasures? Coin roll hunting. This is the most effective method. Ask your bank for rolls of quarters. The more you search, the higher your odds of finding a W. Check your change. Make it a habit to check every quarter you receive at the grocery store, the drive-thru, or the coffee shop. The W was intentionally released into circulation to be found this way, by uncirculated sets. If you're a serious collector who wants perfect examples of the P, D, and S quarters, you can purchase the 2019 mint sets or proof sets directly from the US Mint or on the secondary market. However, remember the W coins were not included in these official sets. White heavy checkmark. Conclusion. The 2019 Quarter Challenge. The 2019 US quarter dollar is a pivotal coin in modern American numismatics. It's a testament to the beauty of our national parks, and thanks to the special West Point W, it's a reminder that incredible treasures are still out there hiding in plain sight. It proves that coin collecting isn't just about old silver and gold, it's about the thrill of the hunt, even with the change in your pocket. Go through your loose change jar and ask your bank for a roll of quarters. See if you can find one of the 5 stunning 2019 designs, and more importantly, see if you can snag that elusive W mint mark. If you found a 2019 quarter, tell me in the comments below which one it was and what mint mark it had. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe for more coin collecting tips and treasure hunts. Until next time, happy hunting!